God had made 4 promises to Solomon: that he would have the wisdom that he asked for, but that he would also be wealthy, have others honour him, and that Solomon would live for a long time, as long as he followed God faithfully. King Solomon ruled with great wisdom. He divided his land and appointed 12 governors to be in charge of each district. Each governor was to provide food for the king's palace for 1 month every year. Although there were many that lived in Israel, they all had plenty to eat and drink, and were happy. Solomon ruled all the kingdoms from the Euphrates River to Philistia, and as far as the Egyptian border. Each kingdom paid taxes to the king, and lived under his rule until he died. With Solomon as king, Israel lived in peace with all the countries around them, and everyone felt safe. God gave Solomon great wisdom. There was nothing beyond him, and nothing he couldn't handle. He was wiser than anyone, and soon his fame spread to all the nations around him. Altogether he wrote 3,000 proverbs and over 1,000 songs. He knew all about plants and animals. People from all over the world travelled miles to come to listen to Solomon and his great wisdom.